Hey guys, Michael Internet Pro. Just want to show you some proof payments because I know a lot of you guys have joined with WCC. So I definitely want to let you know that it does work. It converts very, very, very well. Right now, as you can see, it is 3:41 p.m. today, which means that today is not even nearly over. Normally, these snapshots go from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. For a 24-hour cycle. So that lets you know there's like, oh, what is there, like 9 hours left in the day, just about. And as you can see, I already received 9 sales today. Okay, now you really don't have to pay any attention to these earnings because they don't mean a lot. The reason why is because each one of these 9 sales are worth $17. Okay, so let's look at what I'm talking about here. 9 sales times 17, I think it's 1784 or something around there, and maybe 1748. Let's just say 17 dollars residual, okay, times 9. It's $153. So in theory, it's $153. Okay, so the earnings don't really mean a lot. This is closer to the reality, 173. Now what this means is each sale represents $17. This is basically rounded up to 18 bucks because it's closer to 18. So every month that someone joins with the program, I receive 50%, which is $18, because the program costs like 34 bucks or something like that, right? So I receive around about $18 every month from the person who joins up. Now here's the thing. Um, WCC converts really, really well. I'm converting almost at about 4%. Okay, that's really high, very good. And the system does all of the sales for you. Like, you really don't do anything. I mean, you don't have to even set up anything. But yeah, you can get the done for you service, guys, and everything will be set up for you 100%. The only thing you have to do is after that buy traffic and make sales. Now you say, well, how do I know I'm gonna make sales? Well, that's really the point of this video, because to let you know it's converting at 4%. So if you get into WCC and you buy the traffic, you know it's going to convert at 4%. Anywhere like between 3 and 4% is really, really high because of the $1 join up, sign up trial. That's why it converts really well. And when people get inside and see how easy it is for them to make their first dollar online, of course they're going to stay in because they can see that they're going to make back their profit. They're going to make back the membership fee. Okay, so that's the key. As long as you make back your money and then you get over that, you're in profit. Everybody wants to be profit. So, would you give me $1 if I give you back three? Of course you would. You would make $2 extra. So that's really the way it works, and it's a really simple system. Not a lot to say about it because, like I said, all you have to do is jump in and buy traffic and make money. Again, if I ask you for $1, would you give me the $1 if I give you back three? That's the way it works, guys. So there's really no excuse. You find a link below in the description. Take a test drive. You get a 10-day test drive. Okay, so no excuses. I'm telling you guys, if you want to make your first dollar online, or if you just want to make more money online, okay, you find that link below. It's Michael Internet Pro. Talk to you later.